Hi guys, my name is Beth and welcome to Beth Does Beauty. It's the 1st of December. That means 24 days until Christmas and all of those beauty gifts that you have obviously been given by Santa. This is the sold out Lookfantastic Beauty Advent Calendar. It cost me £79 and it goes from day 1 right through until Christmas Day on the 25th of December. I have never had a beauty advent calendar before. They have completely sold out of the Lookfantastic Beauty Advent Calendar. I have seen some of the photos from past Lookfantastic advent calendars and the products that you get in there are amazing for what you pay. I believe that this is worth over £400. I'll correct myself right here if I'm wrong. Like I said, I've never ever had an advent calendar before that's got beauty products in it. I've just stuck with the classic Christmas chocolates. So I'm excited to get stuck in. I've already explained to those of you who are on my social sites exactly what I'm going to do from day 1 today, the 1st of December, straight through until the 25th of December. I am going to have a daily upload of everything that I get in my advent calendar. It will likely be around a 5-minute video per day, but I'm going to show you exactly what I get in my advent calendar and what I think of it at the end. So enough going on about what I'm going to do, let's just get into it. I'll show you exactly how this is going to go. So box number 1 is all the way down at the bottom right there. And we're gonna have a look at what's in door number 1 for the 1st of December. Feels like a very heavy little box. It's a Morphe palette. It's a Morphe palette in 9A, always golden, with 9 shades ready for play. How cool is that? Now, those of you who've been watching for the past couple of months will know that I recently got into Morphe products. Those shades look very nice. Very autumnal. Not very Christmassy, but very autumnal. That golden shade is beautiful. I'm always here for some spontaneous swatching. For those of you who know me will know that I love a really good smoky eye, so this will be amazing for that. Oh wow. Look at how beautiful those colours are. That's not bad for day number 1. A whole like mini Morphe palette. I cannot complain about that at all. Although I will say 2 of the brown shades do look exactly the same. Pop back again tomorrow for December 2nd where you will see another upload from the Lookfantastic box and see what I get in there for December 2nd.